Hi, I welcome you to this YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how to do basic arithmetic operations using Excel. Whether you're new to data analysis or you're a student or even a business owner, you do need to know how to perform basic arithmetic operations in Excel. For a student, you need it to do your classwork, research, and a lot of data analysis in your school. As a business owner, you need this knowledge to be able to calculate your revenue, your profit, do your accounting operations to be able to, have a good understanding of your business. So in this video, we're going to learn how to do summation, how to do subtraction, how to do division, multiplication, how to do square, and how to do square root using Excel. So we'll be working with this data. This data is that of a business that operates in several countries. They sell different items. They have their units, the unit they've sold, the price for each unit, and the cost for each unit. So we're going to be starting with multiplication. So using multiplication, we should be able to get the total revenue. So to get the total revenue, what we do is to multiply. So to multiply, you do equal to, you select the cell of the unit and you do multiplied by 2. To write multiply, you hold your shift button and hold the 8, the button of 8 together. You have this multiplication sign and you select the unit price. But after doing this, you just click enter and you have the total revenue. So to get it down the whole column, you bring your mouse to this point and double click it, and it spills down, right? So this is how to do multiplication in Excel. When you have large chunk of data, so you just work on one cell or one row, then you cascade it down. You click here to spill it down, right? So let's do it again for total cost. So now to get the total cost, let's repeat the same thing so that you get used to it. So you click on the cell where you want the result to be. So you click on the cell and select and click equal to, right? When you do equal sign, you select the total the unit the number of units, then do your shift and the digit 8. That's where you have the multiplication sign. So you just the shift makes the function, brings out the function of multiplication. Then you select the unit cost. Then you click enter. Now you have the total cost for this particular baby food for this country to value. So to spill it down, once you bring your mouse to this point, it changes. Once it changes to this plus in this kind of form, you double click it, then it goes down. Another thing you can do is to hold it here and drag it down. But if you have so much data, it will be difficult it will take a lot of time. But if you just click once, it goes down. Right, to do subtraction, so to get profit, it's total revenue minus total cost. So to do profit, so we say equals, you select the revenue, so you click minus. Minus is after plus, just before plus sign on your button. Click minus and select the total cost, right? You click enter. This is your profit. Then double click again to spill it down. This is how to do subtraction in Excel. So to do summation, there are two ways you can do summation. You can either assume you want to sum the total revenue plus the total cost. Assume you want to sum them. So we can say equals you do sum. You can either do you select the total revenue plus plus sign and total cost. You click enter. You have summed them. You can also split it down, right? This is one way to go. To the plus sign, you have to hold shift and press on the plus sign where you have the plus sign. So another way is to come down here, assuming we are working on the revenue column. So you come down to the revenue column down and you do sum equal to sum. You double click on this function sum. You can select all of these guys, select them down. This takes time. It's kind of tedious. Then to the end, then you click enter. It gives you the sum of the total or the grand total of the revenue. So to do it for the others, you don't need to repeat the same thing. You just drag it this way. It gives you the sum, the grand sum for the total cost, the total profit, and whatever that is here, right? That's one way. Another way, if we delete this one, another way to do sum is to click here, then hold your control and shift at the same time, press the down arrow, control and shift and press the down arrow button. Then it selects them everything automatically. So you come to this place and click auto sum. Auto sum. It gives you the auto sum. It sums it for you. Again, you can drag it this way to get the sum for the other data. Right. So this is how to do summation in Excel. If you want to do division, this is how to do division. So let's say we want to get back the cost of each product or each item, right? So you do equal to, from the total revenue, click select the total revenue. So to do division, you use this sign, look for this sign on your keyboard and click on the number of units sold and enter. You get the unit price. You can see we have the same unit price. So you do the same thing, double click here, it spills down. So this is still like the unit price. Right, so this is how to do division in Excel. The next thing is to do to square a number. So to square a number, you do equal to, if you want to square the unit price, for example, you click on this and select the square sign, which is this, look for this number. It's usually on number 6 on your keyboard. You see this sign. Then you square it. To square is to 2. You press 2 and enter. It squares. This is the square of this number. You take down. For example, if you really want to know, the square of 2 is 4. So you say 2 square, which is raised to power 2, is 4. So you can see that you're correct. So these are to do square. Then to do square root, if you want to find the square root of a number, as me you want to find out the square root from this guy. So you say equal to, you type SQ, you see square root. Double click it, you select it. So you select this cell, want to get back the unit price. So you can close the bracket and enter. You see you have the square root back. So this is how to do square roots in Excel, right? So thank you for watching. This is the basic mathematical operations or arithmetic operations that you can start up with in Excel. If you want to do data analysis, if you want to do research, do data handling in your research or do classwork, if you want to manage your business expenditures and cost, revenues, all of that. So this is how to do summation, subtraction, multiplication, division, square roots in Excel. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. This helps us to grow. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.